Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the IAVKYU USB-C docking station that allows you to connect up to 3 monitors and keep your devices charged. Let's jump into the features of this productivity-enhancing tool. Triple monitor support, starting with the standout feature, the triple monitor support. With dual 4K HDMI ports and 1 VGA port, you can connect 3 external displays, making it easier than ever to multitask across multiple screens. Dual 4K HDMI ports. The dual HDMI ports offer 4K resolution at 60 Hz, providing stunning visuals for both work and entertainment, whether you're editing HIG videos or watching 4K content. The sharpness and fluidity are unmatched. 5 high-speed USB-A ports. The docking station features 5 high-speed USB-A ports, giving you ample connectivity for all your peripherals. Whether it's external storage, a mouse, a keyboard, or even a printer, you can connect multiple devices at once without slowing down your workflow. 100-watt power delivery. It supports 100-watt power delivery, which not only keeps your laptop charged while you work, but does so quickly and efficiently. No more juggling between chargers and cables. This docking station keeps your setup tidy and your laptop powered up. Gigabit Ethernet. The docking station features a Gigabit Ethernet port, ensuring that your internet connection remains fast, stable, and reliable. Whether you're in a virtual meeting or uploading large files, you can count on a wired connection for top performance. Compact and durable design. Despite its impressive array of features, the docking station boasts a compact and durable design. Its sleek profile allows it to fit comfortably on any desk without taking up too much space. This docking station is truly a must-have for anyone who wants to unlock their laptop's full potential. Check out the link below for more details and make the switch to docking station today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.